go across to the news that is just coming in. Fresh trouble for Arvind Kejriwal after yesterday the finance minister had approached the court for a fresh defamation case against Delhi Chief Minister. Summons being issued now. My colleague Anusha joining us to give us more details. Yes, Anusha.
So, Divina, this is in fact for the first time that we have seen. It's a rare occasion in legal history when someone said during the cross-examination becomes a point of defamation. And that's exactly what has happened between this face-off between the finance minister and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Fresh defamation case, summons issued, and now the Chief Minister will have to appear in July before the Delhi High Court in this fresh defamation suit of 10 crore rupees.
And interesting, Anusha, as you're pointing it out, even while the first case of defamation, the proceedings were on when Arun Jaitley was referred as a crook by the opposing counsel. Ram Jethmalani has said he has done so at the behest of a Delhi Chief Minister, and hence a second defamation case has been filed by Arun Jaitley in the case. So what is, as you pointing out, Anusha, is the first time we've seen such kind of a case which has come out from the legal domain. But what are the experts saying? What are the other options right now for Arvind Kejriwal?
Divina, it remains controversial whether, something said during the court proceedings during cross-examination can be a subject matter of defamation or not. And that is, in fact, the key point that you today, that it was said during cross-examination, it cannot be made a point of defamation. However, the counsels for Arun Jaitley remain defiant, and they said that no, this is something in fact which should go. Siddharth Luthra is one of the lawyers who has been advising the finance minister in this case. So clearly this matter going ahead, and most of these defamation battles fought in the courts become very political. It's rarely in this country that we see a defamation case reaching a logical conclusion and seeing any conviction. And as far as the political scoring is concerned, that continues, and that continues in this case as well.
But also interesting, Anusha, is to note here whether Ram Jethmalani will continue to defend Arvind Kejriwal in the second case as well.
Well, Divina, if you'd remember earlier when there were controversies about the way Arvind Kejriwal was paying Ram Jethmalani, we in fact spoke to him. And he said that he's going to defend Arvind Kejriwal till his last breath. Those were his words. And clearly he believes that Arun Jaitley is a person who should be cracked down, and there are, serious charges against him that should be, put forward in the court of law. So clearly here is some, old rivalry working here, which will continue in the courtroom as well.
All right. Thanks so much for joining us, Anusha. Advocate Manik Dogra, representing Jaitley, had filed a fresh civil defamation suit against Kejriwal for using abusive language in the court, the case getting yet another turn.